So a database is an organized collection of data generally stored and accessed electronically from a computer system. An organized collection of data stored and accessed electronically. Once we do that, we can then start to interrogate the data. So we use the database management system. It is the software that interacts with end users, applications, and database to capture and analyze the data. So on the one hand, we're talking about an organized collection of data, okay? And then what we want to be able to do is to capture and analyze data, okay? And that's really what we have a database and a database management system. That's what we're talking about, a database system. And there are different types. So, you know, a lot of cases we talk about SQL and MySQL. There are more than that, but I'm not going to get into that because that's well beyond our capabilities right here. But the idea is that we have data, we interrogate it, we analyze it, we're able to make decisions. That's what we're trying to get to. So database marketing, therefore, which is the purpose from our point of view, the purpose of databases is a form of direct marketing that uses databases of customers to generate targeted lists for direct marketing communications. Such databases include customers' names, addresses, phone numbers, etc. Okay, that can be legally held. We're not going to talk about GDPR, which is a European general data protection regulation, but you will have some sort of other data protection regulations in your own countries that you have to deal with. And the information that goes into these databases, we collect it from Facebook, we collect it from email, we collect from here, we collect from there. Some of this is maintained in the various applications. So we know in Facebook remembers who our friends are, okay? And you know, we build our audiences based on that, and we do some analysis in their database. You know, taking that information out to our database isn't going to necessarily work, but we get to use their element of a database as well. Which is why, of course, when we're in Facebook, what we're trying to do is to direct people to our website or to capture their emails. Because if we can do that, then we've got something that we can use in our own database. That's our information and our analysis, nothing to do with Facebook or Instagram or anybody else, once we can get to that stage. But we've got to go through these channels to get people to come to us, first of all. And that's what we're about, okay? Databases rely on data analysis, and then we have some sort of insights arising. And that's what we talk about in Facebook as well. We saw those things about insights.